Hi! If you clicked on that video, I can imagine that you have one problem. You would like to be creative and create your new game for mobile phones. But the problem is that you are not able to code, that you are not familiar with Unity or the CryEngine, for example. And that is not a problem, because today I will show you how you can create your own new game in less than 5 minutes. But before diving into that, you first have to get the app. And the app is called Struct. Struct is a mobile app that has 3 main components. First of all, you can create your new game. After using Struct with me today, you can call yourself a game developer and a game designer. The second feature of Struct is that you can share your games. So you can not only share them with one person, your friends or your family, but you can also share it with everyone who is using Struct. And last but not least, you can also play the games of others. So there's not only the possibility to create your game and to share your game, but also choose to play a game of 1 million other games. So it's very easy, and I would say let's have a practical look into our game.
Here we are, and this is how it looks like if you're not on a template. We can easily change the environment, the weather, the sky, just by clicking some of these buttons. Moreover, we can also change the lights of our game. Just a few clicks and you can adjust your game how you want it. Struct is very variable. If we would like to create a game that plays in the sea, then we can also just insert some water. And if the look of the game is not appealing for you, just change it. There are several texture combinations available within the game. Would you like to set your game to a new standard? No problem. With this brush, you can change the tenor of your game towards a new level. Speaking of other levels, just listen and hear how many different settings you can create with Struct. Before we start playing the game, we have to insert an enemy and a playable character to start our game. And also here, we can easily adjust and fine-tune our settings without coding and without any problems.
And as you've seen, this does not even take that much time. So I would say let's just have a practical look into our idea and let's see how the game is being played and what we can maybe adjust.
It is possible to win against the big scary tree monster, but the look of our game is kind of boring. So let's insert some different elements, trees, stones and a winning element will finalize our first small game.
It is very basic, it is not that big and it doesn't have that big of a story. So take your time, also produce something like a jungle game, think of a nice story and just put it very easily and creative into Struct. And if we are finished with that video and you left a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and you have downloaded Struct, you can easily play other games if you have a lack of creativity. You can play them, have a look into their games, have a look into their story and maybe you will be inspired by them. And then you have also a new idea for your new game. So just play some games, let yourself be inspired and move on to your new game. And the users that created these games are users like you that didn't know in the beginning how to come up with a nice game very easily, how to come up with a nice game without paying anything, and how to come up with a nice game without coding. So have a look at their games. And if you have created your own game and would like to share it, get feedback on it, independently of it's the first game or the 10,000th game in Struct, I would definitely recommend you to join our Discord. 35,000 users are already there. Our community, this is the base and the house of our community. You can easily speak with other users about your new game idea. You can easily request something, some new assets or something like that, report a bug, everything is possible there. The main feature of our Discord is also that we have contests there. So the mapping contest as well as the Struct Game of the Weeks are 2 different contests that you can easily participate in. You can also just easily speak to me And if you have some feedback or something like that, if you have questions, you can easily ask me or some of the other developers. So head out to our Discord, see you there. In the beginning, I told you the promise that it's very easy to create your new game. Take your time and don't be desperate. If something doesn't work, then we are there for questions. Head out to the Discord, head out to the other socials. See you then there, and also see you in the next video. Thanks that you were here, and goodbye.